When your old windows are giving you chills, Kemp Windows got the skills to install the thrill. Say goodbye to drafts and those high bills. We're the upgrade your house needs. We fit the bill. Kemp Windows house needs, we fit the bill. Kemp Windows, oh so grand. Best replacements across the land. Feel the warmth, see the light. Kemp makes your home feel just right. Tired of the fog and the frames that fail? Kemp solutions are off the scale. Quality service that will never fail. Choose Kemp and you'll have tales to regale. Through storms and seasons, Kemp stands strong. Windows that last won't steer you wrong. A warranty that goes long. With Kemp you never go wrong. Kemp Windows, oh so grand. Best replacements across the land. Feel the warmth, see the light.